Hello, my name is Michel Blais and I'm the owner of MR Blais Sales and Service Incorporated in Virus, Ontario. We have been in business now since December 2005 and currently in our second location. We are serving a lot of commercial customers as well as some residential and as we like to call it HOA, which means homeowner with acreage. We like quality equipment and quality suppliers. Orec has a different product line, different products, and a lot of them are unique in the market. So it provides us and our customers with different opportunities to serve their needs. When customers walk in and they see the Orec product line, they see the engineering, and you see right away with Japanese engineering, everything is well thought of. So the Snow Rhino is really a great and unique product. The main customer for the Snow Rhino are either commercial customers that will clear storefronts or condo buildings to clean up all the sidewalks for condo buildings, or even commercial customers that have their own buildings just to clear around the building so they don't have to do it manually. The typical snowstorm here in Ottawa will be from 2 to 20 inches. Some winters will get some storms that go as much as 20 to 24 inches. So obviously with the Snow Rhino, when you have big storms like they keep on rolling all the time just to keep the sidewalks clean for municipal and or commercial businesses. Yeah, so the Snowball is a much lighter unit, or a more compact unit. It has great traction for its size. It's very surprising. Until you use the Snowball, you can't even think that it can do what it can do. The blade you can angle on either side. You can remove the side panels to flow material easy. And we have customers that use the Snowball for snow, for scraping hard-packed snow. We also have customers that use that in the summertime just to spread out topsoil in small compact areas where it's too large or too small for a tractor to go in. So they'll use a Snowball to do topsoil and or stone dust. So the unit can be used 12 months out of the year. The Garden Quake is a great commercial rear tine tiller. It can break sod easily and you can work it down on every pass. It's a great unit powered by a Honda engine. Actually a great unit for rental houses, for their rental customers, because it's very heavy duty. It's also a great unit for the serious gardener. With the Garden Quake being that's a rear tine tiller, it doesn't have the bone shaker type feel of a front tine tiller. It's very easy to maneuver with one hand. So the Garden Quake has a differential lock on there, so it's easy to keep straight, and again it makes your handling very easy. And if you want to turn easily, you unlock the differential and you can turn easily and maneuver in tight spots. So the Trailblazer is actually a great unit. It can handle 650 pounds on tracks. You can use it to go up the stairs. It makes easy work of transporting blocks for landscapers, transporting firewood for people that have trails or bush. Units like that being used to collect maple sap here in Canada. They use it around with hard-packed snow, and given it has great traction, they make hard work look easy. So the Brush Rover, whether a 2 or 4-wheel drive, is a nice compact unit. It can go in between the rows of tree farms or underneath trees when you fold down your ROPS. And it's not something, it can do the job of a big tractor where you can't take a big tractor. It has a differential lock on the 2 and the 4-wheel drive unit to go over uneven terrain when you need extra traction. So don't worry about the slopes, because with the 4-wheel drive unit it can handle up to 20-degree slopes and 15 degrees with the 2-wheel drive unit. It's great to cut a thick brush with a base sapling of up to 2 inches. The Cyclone flail mower is available as a track or a wheel version. So the Cyclone is great to cut any type of brush or overgrown areas, and it will actually mulch the material and put it back in the ground. So If you can get over it, it will cut it and will actually mulch it. And it can cut saplings up to 1.5 inch base diameter. Once the sapling gets into the flail mower, it will just pull it in, and it can clear a lot very easily. Track version, it will work on slopes up to 20 degrees, whereas the wheel version will work on slope up to 15 degrees. So if you're mowing around retention ponds with the track unit, it will stay on the slope up to 20 degrees. You can actually have a track in the water and the unit will still stay there. So large property owners that have ponds will use that to keep their property, or people that have bush lots, if they want to make trails or just walking trails on a larger property. This is a great unit. It has great traction on uneven terrain, and it doesn't matter what type of brush you have, the Cyclone flail mower can cut it. So working with Orec has been great. They have a quality product. It certainly has helped us gain new customers, and customers walk in the door and they're asking for an Orec product, and the company has been great to work with.